What is up, my beautiful people? It is King Blood. So Christine Mboma finally breaks silence for this 2023 season. This is the first time that I'm hearing from Christine Mboma since the beginning of this year, and she is showing you her new car and she is speaking to y'all. In this video that I will be showing you, she speak more fluently. I can understand her more better. So shout out to Christine Mboma. Enough love and respect. Before we continue, please remember to subscribe, drop a like. Now let's continue.
Yeah, it's very beautiful and coffee. Let me just put something here, put this stuff here, and so I can show you guys my new car. Yeah, Haval. This is really beautiful. I like it. I hope you guys all like my car. So let me just show you the seat. And I like the screen here. I like everything about this car. Yep. Let me just show you the back again. Because some people maybe didn't see the back. And here, my beautiful picture from the Olympic. One of my favorite picture. Yeah, at the back. And so, and I like the color too. It's a really beautiful color. Both side has my name, and the other side also, it has my name written here on the side. And yeah. This is the front. I must not show you guys my plate number. Here's the beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yeah. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Bye. Bye.
Thank you for watching, my beautiful people. It is King Blood. See you all in my next videos. And also remember to subscribe. Really appreciate all of my supporters. Enough love once again.